Welcome to 36223 LaSalle Pointe in Prairieville, Louisiana, in the LaSalle Pointe Gated Community. This home has a split floor plan, and there is an abundance of amenities that come with this home, which include steel beams, 7-inch baseboards, 3cm granite throughout, all tile and wood flooring. The formal dining area, which lets in plenty of natural light, also features built-in china cabinetry. And this grand open space lends itself perfectly to large gatherings of friends or family. As you head into the kitchen, you'll be impressed by the abundance of cabinets, the large center island with 3cm granite, the upgraded gas stove, and all stainless steel appliances are DCS commercial grade. There are built-in step stools in several cabinets and a large pantry for all your storage needs. The kitchen is open to a keeping room or den, which features a ventless gas fireplace with ceramic logs. Off from the kitchen is this very convenient computer nook and a very spacious laundry area. As you enter the master suite, you are immediately drawn to the exquisite coiffured ceiling. This room lets in plenty of natural light. And the master ensuite bathroom has his and her sinks, a custom standalone shower, and a large soaking tub. The his and hers large closets are abundant in size and feature 2 built-in ironing boards and an in-floor safe. The guest bathroom is custom tiled with high ceilings and a tub shower combination, which is all complemented with the neutral color paint. The garage door entry has a seating area to remove shoes and coats, and across from that is more cabinets for storage space. You will fall in love with this unique custom-built home, which sits on a half-acre lot and is located in the small gated community near the Ascension and EBR parish line. There are more rooms upstairs with a games room and 2 additional bedrooms, which have a Jack and Jill bathroom that separate them. The game room opens to a large New Orleans-style balcony with slate flooring, lighting, and ceiling fan, which overlooks this beautifully manicured and landscaped, fully fenced backyard. The large shaded outside patio area has stained concrete, mounted ceiling fans, and has an outdoor kitchen which is fitted with a special crawfish drain and is the perfect place to relax with family or friends. This home is also wide for a generator and pool. 36223 LaSalle Pointe in Prairieville, Louisiana is located near a new fire station and is in the Dutchtown School District. So call for your private showing today.